Hi. Wow. Again.
You remember me, I remember you.
Yeah, I also remember you. How are you today?
I'm good, baby. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Are you sleeping now?
No.
But you're laying on bed.
Yeah, I used to do on Saturday morning
Oh, okay, okay.
before I go on by my business.
Oh, do you have business? You mean you are a businesswoman, right?
No,
Okay.
that is something we say in America.
Oh, okay, okay. You're looking so beautiful when you smiling.
Thanks.
Welcome. So what time is it now, dear? In your side?
7 in the morning, 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Oh, okay, okay. But it's evening here in my side. It's evening here. Yeah, you can see. I wanna go from here because I wanna join another PK. So bye. See you
Or
again.